Today we're going over the largest power sports dealership in the nation, 185,000 square feet. Almost every brand you can think of, from boats to mini bikes, guys, they have it. Get ready, strap.
There we go, they're constantly growing. Look at that, brother. And it just goes on. It just goes on and on. Sea-Doos, they got everything from Kawasaki. Not everything, I'm exaggerating, but they have the majority of everything. Oh, and they let you ride almost everything here. They, you know, basically just say don't lay it down. But they also do pre-owned. They do pre-owned a lot. Yo, what the fuck? I don't know what this is, but it's funny. That's just hilarious, dude. I mean, that's a normal size side-by-side. It's a Honda. The fuck is that? That's crazy. And yes, I'm aware of these. None of these are electric. I know you come here for e-bikes and everything else, but they were very kind and let me come in here and film those electric bikes. They didn't have to, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do just a shameless promo of a company I actually stand behind. Super solid, they'll work with you. Almost every bike I've ever looked at, price-wise, they want the $200 dealership fee, and that's it. If you look up a Honda Grom, it's how much a Honda Grom costs, plus the $200 dealership fee or delivery, whatever they want to call it, and that's it, just like it's promised. They don't try to shyster you. I've come in here multiple times and said, hey man, I'll be honest, I'm just looking. And they said, yes sir, if you have any questions, let me know, and they don't bother me. It's not a car dealership, they're not trying to force you into anything. It's a really laid back place that if you're looking to buy something, they're looking to sell it to you. So CF Moto, I mean, it literally looks like a convention hall with just how much stuff is actually in here. Because like, I say CF Moto corner, it's CF Moto just side, equivocally. Yo, dude. What that? What that? It's sold, whatever it is. Dude, my brother-in-law should have got this. Yeah, see, look, they're still adding CF Moto stuff. That's hilarious. And they ride through. That's how they put everything up. Bruh, this place is it's a dream. That's Brad. He works here. He's super cool. He runs the media. He's got skills and cameras that I wish I had, and skills. Oh, dude, everything you want. Look. Ooh, I wonder if they have electric CF Moto. I know they have an electric CF Moto. They're so cute. This looks like fun to ride, actually. This is the Papio. Okay. Let me know if I should get a Papio. That's like $2,000. I'd make that in a few months. There's the Can-Am Origin back, and we're in the Can-Am Spider corner, which quickly devolves into the slingshot area. I'll go ahead and just throw it up. But like, I mean, it just extends. They have plenty of hammerheads for kids and everything else involved. And they do plenty of markdowns. $24.99, $34.99, of course that's the GPS. Plenty of things for kids, regardless of size, and adults. Because this is what I would want to rock with my son. Four-wheelers from everyone and their mom. Right, my son needs one of these. Yeah, my son, dude, like 2 or 3 more years, he's gonna rock that. See, this is the stuff you come to Jonesboro Cycle ATV for. Unique shit. This isn't some run-of-the-mill dealership. This is like the dealership, dude. They don't just have a little bit of everything. They have a little bit of everything and then everything on crack. Look at this. This is insane. I'm telling you, stop sleeping on this wonderful place. Ooh, they got the gold wing on display as it should be. Then they got Groms, monkeys. They got trail sports. They have everything. Just stop. Stop wasting your time. I don't care if you don't live in Arkansas. If you want a unique experience, an actually crazy experience, you're gonna come to a place like Jonesboro Cycle ATV. And you're not gonna be disappointed. I mean, I showed you in 6 minutes what if you took time to look, you'd be here easily. Just to look and not even actually pay attention and stuff, 45, 50 minutes. I don't have the time to do that today. I'm gonna come back in the future and ask if I can do it again, but God. Oh, one more thing, service center. You know, that was just, this is the shoppable side, but this is, you know, where you're gonna go look to find, look at that, look at that. It's unreal with how big it is. But it just goes on. Everything you need, helmets, clothes, jackets, whatever, they got it. Wheels, everything. Parts, obviously. But I mean, shit, this, when they were building it, we were all just blown away that something was being put here. But we didn't think it'd be this great.